Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm opening my June 2019 Pink Soul box. I'm pretty excited about this. This will be my last Pink Soul box because the next time I'm due is in August, and that's when I will be 35. So I'm going to actually transition into trying the Pink Soul Plus box and see how that goes. So, without further ado, let's dive into the Pink Soul box. It is an every other month Korean beauty box. Came in a mailer. Put that aside. This is the insert. Let's see what's inside. It's got a nice little heart. And it's pretty simple. Pretty grown-up little packaging. G9 Skin. There we go. Chocolate milk balm mask, sheet mask. This one's cute. Slice mask sheet, pink or peach. Okay. It looks like Doff and Doff Coral Passion Nourishing Hand Cream. I've got some SPF Everyday Sun Gel. I've got non-co tree oil. This is kind of cool. I wonder if it's like a spot treatment. Because I have pure tea tree oil from Trader Joe's. I'll have to check this out and see what it says. Oh, cool. Cotton puffs, which is cool. I am actually thinking of transitioning to not cotton puffs, but cloth ones. Age Intense Essence, Treatment Essence from Nature. It's cool. Stockholm Rose Nourishing Hand Cream. So it looks like I got two hand creams, Coral Passion and Stockholm Rose. And then I got a tea tree stick. Let's read a little bit more about these items. Okay. So the From Nature Cotton Puffs, basically, you know, you put your whatever on it and you rub it on your face. I actually haven't been using these very much lately. I've been putting the toner straight on my skin with my fingers and the essence, basically everything as well. Some people really like to use a cotton swab to get any residual residue with the toner. I don't feel the need for that since I don't really wear makeup or sunblock. I know, I'm terrible. But I do have them for when I do those things. And sometimes occasionally. So Doff and Doff Nourishing Hand Cream. You received 2 hand creams. And I did. Rose and Coral Passion. And a Pew Everyday Sun Gel. It's a gel texture sun cream, so it's lightweight but also delivers hydration without greasy and sticky feeling. Let's see what else here. From Nature Age Intense Treatment Essence. Star ingredients in this essence is galactomyces, ferment filtrate, and niacinamide to leave your skin moisturized, bright, and clear. It also contains adenosine, anti-wrinkle ingredient to improve skin elasticity and tighten skin. So this one, they recommend soaking a cotton swab pad and swiping onto skin, then patting until absorbed. Then we have the Pew Non-Co Tea Tree Stick. It's an acne fighting stick to target trouble areas, so that's pretty cool. The oil, tea tree oil and herbal AC complex to treat acne-prone skin. This oil can be used in several ways. Spot care on problem areas, or mix a couple drops into your moisturizer, toner, base makeup, or cleansing water to heal and soothe skin. That's kind of cool. I don't have anything like that, so that's pretty neat. And then 2 masks selected on your skin type. so that is my Pink Soul box, just Pink Soul standard. It's $39.95 for every other month. And so this is what, the May, June? January, February, March, April. Yeah, May, June. The next one's going to be July, August, and I'm hoping to get the Pink Soul Plus for that because it's for 35 and older, and that's when your girl's 35th birthday is. I'm still missing one person for the 500 subscriber giveaway, and I'd really like to ship everything at once because it's kind of a pain for me to get to the post office. I think it's the person who won box number 4, and it's like Angie Love or something like that. Please check on the 500 subscriber giveaway for your name, and contact me so that way we can get this show on the road. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Pink Soul. Well, soon, as in the next week or 2, week to 10 days, I should be getting my other K-Beauty boxes, and so we can do a side-by-side, and you can see how my K-Beauty project pan is going. Spoiler alert, not as well as I'd hoped. But anyway, stay tuned because there will be a giveaway at that time for K-Beauty products. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.